Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to withdraw your money from Robinhood. So this is going to be a step-by-step guide on how to do so. So here in Robinhood we're going to use the app basically. So here let's just go ahead and go into the account. So you have your stocks right here and your buying power, and then you'll just have to basically go ahead and navigate to the bottom right corner into your own tab into your profile basically. And then you will have to just basically press the hamburger button on the top left corner. Yeah, top left corner, guys. And then here in the menu, you will have to look for your transfers. So this is where the hidden feature is for withdrawals. So transfer, and then here, transfer money. Then you will have to look at your bank account. You will have it verified, of course. And here's your withdrawable cash, basically. And then you want to transfer money. So you will choose from your brokerage, which is the amount right here that's available. Choose an account to where to, and then you will have to just select your bank account, of course. And then from your bank account, you want to review on how much you want to withdraw. Press review, transfer the 1774 that you have left, and then the withdrawal is going to be submitted, and then continue, and then it's going to take up to 5 business days to complete, basically, so that you'll just have to wait. So that's how you withdraw money from Robinhood, and it's just that simple. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.